everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Delicious butter salmon. Very tasty. Look at the curry. Butter salmon. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious recipe for seafood lovers. I'll be making butter salmon. Nice skinless, boneless salmon pieces. To make a butter salmon, it will be two-step process. The first step will be the marination. The second step will be the tadka. For the marination, I'm going to use a dry ingredient along with homemade quarter cup dahi, salt, ground ginger, garlic powder, degi mirch, quarter teaspoon each, food coloring. This is strictly optional. If you don't want food color, please skip it. But if you add it, that will enhance the beauty of butter salmon. So use as needed. Cilantro, half teaspoon. For tadka, we're going to use 1 teaspoon olive oil. Salt and degi mirch, quarter teaspoon each, curry powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, half teaspoon each. 1 teaspoon my 3G paste. I have a video posted on my channel. This is a ginger, garlic and green chili paste. 1 fresh tomato. What I did, I put it in a food processor and I make a smooth puree. Then fresh cilantro. Half cup whipping cream. So the butter, if you are health conscious, then it will be strictly optional. Please don't add it. But if you add butter, this is unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons. So let's start marinating the salmon first, then we'll start making our delicious butter salmon. Get a mixing bowl and we'll bring dahi, salt, ground ginger, garlic powder, degi mirch, food color, cilantro, and now we're going to mix it all. So once it's nicely combined, now we're going to add salmon pieces. As we put the salmon pieces, I'll roll it up and put it on the side, and then we'll keep bringing the other pieces. This is the tip I wanted to share with you. Make a big pieces of salmon, so when you're going to eat it, you will enjoy it. If you haven't tried butter salmon, please try it. And that's the last piece. So we're going to do the same thing. Once all the pieces are nicely coated, cover with the plate and put it in the fridge for 2 hours. It's always a good idea to marinate for longer period of time, but I'll be marinating 2 hours. Salmon fish is marinated for 2 hours. Now we're going to start the burner. Get a pan. As the pan starts to heat up, we're going to add salmon. So we're going to make sure that we scoop out all the masala. And now we're going to cook the salmon. Bring your gas to medium. The fish don't take that long to cook. So just make sure that spread it evenly. On medium gas cooking for 2 minutes. Now we're going to flip them over. Look at the pieces. Beautiful color. Now bring your gas on simmer. And we're going to cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes. Now we're going to wait for 3 minutes simmer. We're going to bring the fish on a back burner and we're going to start that burner and we're going to keep it on simmer. And we'll place it right on top of it. And the front burner, we're going to prepare our tadka. As the pan start to heat up, add 1 teaspoon olive oil. When we make butter salmon, then the butter is must. So we're going to add 2 tablespoons butter. Make sure that butter is nicely melted. As the butter is melting, we're going to bring ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Cook ginger, garlic, green chili paste until the butter is nicely melted. So that will be probably 20 seconds. Now add tomato puree. Mix it well and keep it moving and keep cooking. We already have 1 minute on this side, so 2 more minutes we're going to cook. Bring your gas to medium and we're going to cover with the lid. The salmon is still cooking on simmer, so we're going to wait 2 more minutes, then we're going to combine it. Cooking for 2 minutes with the cover lid. I'll open it. So altogether, the salmon on the back burner cooking for 3 minutes on simmer. I'll turn off the gas. Now we're going to mix it well. And now we're going to bring all the spices. Salt, degi mirch, cumin powder, coriander powder, curry powder, garam masala, and mix it well. Cook spices along with the tomato for 1 minute. So keep it moving and keep cooking. Cooking spices for 1 minute. As you know that we turn off the gas on the back burner. I'll open it. I'll bring the salmon. And now we're going to transport the salmon pieces. As you can see, the salmon don't take that long to cook. It's fully cooked. So bring all the masala. Now with the soft hand, bring your gas on medium-low and keep mixing. Once all the spices are nicely combined with the salmon, as you can see, the salmon is fully cooked. We're going to turn each pieces. This was the tip I wanted to share with you. Make salmon pieces a big one. If you put it like a 1 inch, they will break very easy. As you can see, it's fully cooked. It start to break. Bring your gas on a simmer and now we'll add cream. Bring your gas to simmer, cover with the lid and let it simmer for 5 minutes. It's exactly 5 minutes on simmer and now we're going to open it. This is the best creamy, buttery salmon. Perfect gravy. Prior to serving, add some cilantro. Turn off the gas and our dish is all ready. As you can see, it's nice and bubbly. Our tasty, delicious butter salmon is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. Serve with the rice pulao. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.